Bunso. Order po. Dalawang ice cream po sa akin.
Okay, Nits. Right? Saan ito sa TV? Atilig. Double. Wait lang, baby, gagawa ka na atilig, ha? Bibigyan ka ng materials. If you are kids, dyan muna kayo kasi mag-picture tayo. Okay, do your artwork. Okay, kids. We will take a picture na kids, okay? Please come back yung kids. Dito tayo. Okay, kids. Kung sinabi ko Itsuna, sabihin nyo lang, okay? Example, kids. Itsuna, hooray, then itatas mo yung tulong artwork, okay, like this. Okay, kids, example. Itsuna, hooray! Yan, kids. Okay. In 3, players and dragons, ko parin ko yung camera ko. Okay. In 3, 2, 1, Itsuna, hooray! Once again, Itsuna, hooray! Thank you, kids, for joining. Sa mga parents ko lang buwan ng picture sa kanila, kids, pakita ka lang po sa Itsuna. Itsuna family, para makita na rin po yung your friends and classmates. Thank you.